চলুন লঙ্কা বাংলার জব সার্কুলার দেখে নিই। যেহেতু সার্কুলারটি সম্পূর্ণ ইংরেজিতে, তাই আমি ইংরেজিতে বলছি। We are the fastest growing financial institution in Bangladesh, operating its business through 27 branches across the country. Let's see about the job circular. Here is the description about LankaBangla finance is given here. The position name of the job circular is Branch Sales and Service Officer, job grade Assistant Officer, Principal Officer, job location anywhere in Bangladesh. Please mention your preferable district location while applying. That means you can apply according to your district. The responsibilities are given here. You can see this. Achieve said business target in terms of deposit and advances. Provide responsive service by using skill for delightful customer experience. Ensure that any or all expenses for the branch are processed as per policy with due diligence, etc. etc. The key qualifications: minimum graduation from any public or private university, 2 to 5 years of relevant working experience in banking and NBFIs is preferred. Good knowledge in MS Office is must. Analytical, critical thinking ability, compliance and integrity, customer centricity, internal and external, is required. Good communication skills, both speaking and written in English and Bangla. Apply instruction: you can apply very easily by December 19th, 2020. You have to make your CV or resume and email the CV or resume at career@lankabangla.com. Please mention Branch Sales and Service Officer in the subject line of the mail during submission of your resume. Only shortlisted candidates will be gone through standard recruitment process. LBFL reserves the right to accept or reject any application without assigning any reason whatsoever, so that you can apply very easily. That submit your CV or resume at career@lankabangla.com. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.